Good morning, students. I hope you all have learned the laws of exponents. So today in this class we will solve some questions with the help of these laws. First question. 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power minus 10 into 5 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2. Here there are three different bases. First one is 2. 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 5. Base are same, powers are different, and there is a division sign. So powers get subtracted. 7 minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 10, 3 to the power 4. Same thing here. Base is 3. Powers are different. Since there is a division sign, upon means divide, powers get subtracted. And same for the base 5. 6 minus 2. So what is the answer? 2 to the power 7 minus 5, that is 2. 3 to the power minus 10 minus 4, same sign. We are adding the number and put that sign. 5 to the power 6 minus 2, that is 4. So this is our answer. In the second question, 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 1. In the previous class, I explained one law which says if the power is negative, we change the base, we reciprocal the base and power make positive. So in this way, minus 2 को अगर plus 2 करना है तो 1 by 3 को उसका reciprocal लिखेंगे, that is equal to 3 by 1. Similar here, 1 by 2, the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1 and the power get positive. Whole to the power minus 1. 3 by 1 whole square. 3 square, that is 3 3 is a 9. 2 cube, that is 2 2 is a 4, 2 is a 8. Whole to the power minus 1. 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1 to the power minus 1. Reciprocal of 1 is always 1, so the answer is 1. I think these two are clear to everyone. Now we are using a very important property to find the value of x. The property says that if the base are same, power are different, and there is an equal to sign in between them, then the powers are same. For example, if a to the power m equal to a to the power n, base are same, that means m equal to n. And vice versa, if the powers are same but the bases are different, that means the bases are same. A to the power m equal to b to the power m, which means a equal to b. With this two useful property, we can solve some equations. First equation is 9 to the power x into 3 equal to 243. 243. If I find the factors of 243, we will have 243 is equal to 3 to the power 5. 243 is equal to 3 to the power 5. 9 means 3 to the power 2, whose power is x, that means 3 to the power 2x, into 3 equal to 243 means 3 to the power 5. By the first law, if the base are same, powers get added. So 3 to the power 2x plus 1 equal to 3 to the power 5. Now by using this property, we can say that 3x plus 1 equal to 5. By solving this equation, we find x equal to 2. यहाँ से सॉल्व करके कैसे ये वैल्यू आया, आई थिंक सब उसको खुद सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. 3 to the power 2x plus 1 equal to 3 to the power 5, which means 2x plus 1, not 3x. 2x plus 1 equal to 5, so we can solve for x and we will find x equal to 2. In the second question, since there is a root sign, if I want to remove that root sign, we can squaring both the sides. ये हम लोग जब स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट पढ़ेंगे तब और अच्छे से समझेंगे. सो बाय स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स, तो ये रूट हट जाएगा. वी विल हैव 3/5 होल टू द पावर 1 minus 2x इक्वल टू 125/27 पावर 2. दोनों तरफ हम स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं. 125 ये किसका क्यूब है? 5 का क्यूब है. और 27 किसका क्यूब है? 3 का क्यूब है. तो 125/27 को हम 5/3 का होल क्यूब लिख सकते हैं. उसका पावर 2. 3/5 1 minus 2x equal to this one, which is equal to 5/3 whole to the power 6. Now there is a problem. In this left side, the base is 3/5, but in the right side, the base is 5/3. We can't say base are equal. हम एक छोटा सा चेंज करेंगे जिससे बेस इक्वल हो जाएगा. वो चेंज क्या करेंगे? हम इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, so the power became minus. So therefore we can write that 3/5 1 minus 2x equal to 3/5 whole to the power minus 6. Now from this, can we find the value of x? Bases are same, so we can say that the powers are also same. 1 minus 2x equal to minus 6. इसके बाद आप लोग खुद सॉल्व कर सकते हो. While you solving it, you can find x equal to 7/2. तो जितना क्वेश्चन मैंने आधा करके छोड़ दिया है, आपके लिए छोड़ा है, उसको आप कंप्लीट करोगे. लॉज आपको लर्न करना है. एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू क्लास.